I'm going to be going through how to quickly post your recorded Google Meet videos in Canvas. And so I'm going to show you two different ways, and it's really going to be a preference, whichever one you decide is going to work best for you. The first one, in my opinion, is the simplest. If you're already using modules, all you do is go to the module you want to add the video to, click that plus sign, and then you can change this, instead of an assignment or any of these, change it to an external tool. And then scroll down and pick this first one up for Google Drive. It will take you into your Google Drive. And the folder you're going to be looking for is going to be Meet Recordings. So if you've recorded your Google Meet, it will automatically have a folder in your Google Drive. And there's mine. When I go to it, you're going to see that the names on mine are exactly what yours would be, unless you already renamed it. So for mine, I didn't really have anybody in my meetings all that much, so I didn't rename any of these. Now, one thing you'll probably want to do is, if you're not sure based on the time what video is what, you'll need to go into your Google Drive folder and rename these appropriately so that you can pull the right video. For now, I know which one I want to use. I want to use this first one. I'm going to click Submit and then Add Item. And it adds it to the bottom of my module. So this is where, if I need to go in here and readjust or something like that, let's say I want it up here after this Google Assignment 1. From here, I just have to make sure that it's published, because it won't automatically be published, and then the students can see it. If you don't care about renaming the file, you can rename what the kids see here just by going here and clicking Edit, and I can change the name of it. So now when the kids click on it, they'll go into the recorded meeting, and it's just a part of the module. So I'll have the next button down here and all that. So it works out pretty good for that. Now, the other way you can do this is you can do the same thing within an assignment or a page or anything. So I'm going to flip over here to my page. Let's say I had a page just for Google Meet recorded lessons. Or I wanted to attach that lesson to an assignment, which makes sense if that is tied to a particular assignment. This one is just as easy, because this rich text editor should be the same for pages or assignments. I'm going to click this Google Drive icon, and if you don't have this set up here, you can go and turn on the new rich content editor. If you'll check out the knowledge base in our tech support site, it walks you through exactly how to do it, and it also should have been shared with you a few weeks ago. So I'm going to click on this Google Drive, and just like the other way, it takes me over to my Google Drive. Now for mine, I normally have to click on my drive because it's not one of the recents, and then the same thing, I have to find my Meet Recordings folder. For this one, it doesn't really tell you the name, it shows you the actual clips of the video, so it may be easier for you to find what you're looking for. So I'm going to attach, and when I do it this way, it embeds the video. So the other way it was a link, this way it embeds the video, which works out really good for a page or an assignment, because then the students don't have to go to another page. They don't have to load anything else. Once you're done with this, you'll just have to make sure you hit Save and Publish, and you're good to go. So on this, it makes it really effective to go through here, and either way works well. It's just going to depend on how you use Canvas and how your students are used to accessing content.